Welcome back to Megazord's Hut, the 1,000 subscriber special. It's very emotional. No, it's nice. It's nice, people. I mean, I'm not making any money out of YouTube, and I'm probably never going to. But it is nice to get a thumbs up, a comment, a subscribe. That's always nice. It's because it just strokes your ego, and that's about the only thing I get out of this YouTube channel. Maybe the hope that you inspire one person. That's always think of the children, and I get to show my stuff off. But yeah, anyway, to the point of the video. So I'm giving away this, which is the ArduBanana. It's a very realistic, three-dimensional banana-shaped handheld console. Some would say the original and best banana handheld console. Yeah, so this took a couple of days to make, actually. And this one has a felt lining. It's the only one that does. And I rejigged the magnets as well, because I was never totally happy with the pull force. So this one's a bit easier to open. If you open it at the bottom, it's easier. It has if you've never seen this before, you shouldn't really enter the competition, no. If you've never seen this before, it has a reed switch there, so it's an automatic on-off affair. And see that? Still has the screen protector on. Oh yeah. So yeah, I'm giving away this. To one lucky winner. Oh, by the way, yeah, if you do win this, I probably should say that to charge it, I mean, you charge it, but then there's no way to turn it off. So you just lay this half there while you're charging at a certain angle. So I'm probably not going to give you instructions. Yeah, there's only 3 of these made, and there's one there in the cabinet. And there's a game developer who I'm not going to name has got one as well. We've got a banana pencil. Doesn't come with a banana pencil. So all the doom scrollers have gone now. All the 30-second doom scrollers have gone. So if you want a chance of winning this, in the comments, just put in giveaway 1,000. Giveaway 1,000. That way I know that you've understood that you are entering a competition to possibly win the ArduBanana. Because the last competition went a little bit pear-shaped, where somebody, obviously a doom scroller, entered the competition and then didn't supply any details where I could send the... Anyway, so you are entering a competition to win the ArduBanana, giveaway 1,000, and then I will get in touch with you and you supply your address and I send you the ArduBanana. It's quite simple, really.